So right now we're just taking clips off and figuring it out. I've never taken the bumper off, to be honest. Robin.
Well, me neither. I don't take another bumper.
I mean,
That's for you to figure out right now. Yeah. I don't know how to get it off. I don't think those need to come off.
I think they do now.
Is there like something underneath it?
Well, there's a screw right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a screw. Yeah, that screw needs to come off.
Alright, well.
I don't want fun. Did you get the side yet?
No, I missed the thing. You guys were YouTube certified, you know.
Yeah, you missed the side too.
Well,
always gotta take care of you.
where'd you get your experience from, Eric? All right, so we gotta.
Well, yes, I think it's pretty easy to do your own.
Yeah, intercooler.
Yeah, I can just pull the. I don't know about that. Yeah. It's pretty beefy, I don't lie. But.
10 minutes in, we got the stock air ram thing. Now we just need to get this plastic and cut it.
So it's just gonna be like a straight cut right here then?
Yeah. Yep. Now we just need to get it off.
Right in there.
No, this is what we're doing. Alright guys, we got an update.
You gonna use it?
And give me my damn handle. What happened?
Here.
Hell no.
Using it, bro.
Wait, hold on. Let me look up, see where we're cutting exactly.
I think it's right here, bro, because like it'll make sense because that's where things landing here.
Alright, fuck it, just do it.
It's up to you though, if you want to look.
No, I mean, yeah, I mean, it's about there, to be honest. Alright, little, it just has to come out like here.
Dude, I'm kind of straight, bro. Like,
I know.
let's do this fanciness right here.
No, I know. I don't want you to hit my radiator either.
No, I won't hit it. That shit's far away, dude.
Boom. Eric, how was the install, bro? Out of 10.
It was gay out of 10.
It was gay out of 10.
Not positive, but 40 right there?
Huh.
Not all the way there. Oh yeah, that's covered. That's still hot.
Used, but would have been nice to just put it on like this.
No, you just put on the Rams, bro. And be same thing. You got it?
Thanks. Should I put the clip now or you need adjustments? Alright guys, so we're done. $100. Kind of didn't realize these things blocked half of it, or a quarter of it on both sides. But $100. The wiring's kind of messed up, so you know, you pay what you get for. Well, alright guys, see you in the next mod. Eric's probably gonna get a heat exchanger by then.
Praying.